In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your videos in Google Drive. We know that organizing and retrieving your files in Google Drive can sometimes feel overwhelming, but finding your videos doesn't have to be a daunting task. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to locate all of your video files within Google Drive. So grab your computer, settle in, and let's dive in together. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Then head over to Google Drive's homepage by typing drive.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so. Just enter your email and password and you'll be on your way to accessing all your stored files. Once you're on the main Google Drive interface, you'll find a search bar right at the top of the page. This handy feature is going to be your best friend today. Click on the search bar to activate it and then simply type the word video. Doing this straightforward step will bring up a list of all the video files you have stored in your Google Drive. Google Drive's search tool is quite powerful, so it will return results that match your search query within any file names, content, and metadata associated with videos, so you can have peace of mind knowing you are not missing anything. The next thing to do is to go through the results list provided by the search to find the specific videos you're looking for. You can scroll through the list and click on each video file to preview it and ensure it's the right one. If you have a lot of video files, you might see it in the list immediately, or you may need to navigate through multiple pages of results to locate exactly what you're after. Additionally, keep in mind that you can also use various filters available in Google Drive to further fine-tune your search. For example, you can specify the type to videos by clicking on the small triangle icon next to the search bar, which will allow you to choose from different file types. Also, you can filter by the last modified date or who the video is shared with, which can be very useful if you are looking for something that was shared recently or belongs to a particular project. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to find your videos using Google Drive. This method will save you time and help keep your video collection organized and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Google Drive tips.